Hello everyone, my name is Oscar Gutierrez. I am from Texas A&M International University. I am from the class of 2017. This project is for my engineering graphics class. I will do the outline for the PS3 controller in AutoCAD. First of all, you need to open up AutoCAD and go to the 3D tools and select the option the cylinder. Once you have selected the option, input the dimensions of the cylinder. In this case, I will input the dimension for the cylinder to be 2, and for the height I will put the dimension to be 4. Now you can see it in 3D by going in the cube and select the point of view in which you want to see it. In this case I will see it in realistic. Now for this case, for the PS3 controller, what you may want to do is to create a new cylinder, or just copy and paste in another cylinder. And I will do this because it is very helpful, because you will have two same cylinders. They will be exact. Now you need to create a box, and to do this, go to the 3D tools and select the option box. You specify the first point or the first corner, and you input the dimensions that you want the box to be. In my case, since the cylinders are quite far apart, I will put the first dimension to be 9.5 and the other dimension to be around 4.5 or 4. It depends on how apart are the cylinders. For the height, however, I want to say that you need to be consistent with your measurements. So I input the height to be 4, the same as the cylinders, just to be symmetrical in your figure. Now you need to draw the two joysticks for the PS3. So we draw another cylinder and we align it to the figure that we've been creating, and the same as the other cylinders, you may create a new cylinder, but I would recommend to just copy the one you created, so that both could be the same, the exact measurements. I'm sorry. Now for this other part, this is just a recommendation. You don't need to do it, but I recommend it so that you don't get confused. I recommend for you to set the different part of the PS3 controller to be a different color, so that you can distinguish which part is above or which part is under what part. In this case, my cylinders, all of them, all of my cylinders are under the box, and I don't want that, so this is how I noticed, and I set the box to be under the cylinders, and I properly aligned them. And now what I will do is to oh sorry, 10% remaining. Okay, Now what I need to do is to put the two cylinders for the joystick part of the PS3 controller to be above the cylinder, the bigger cylinder, and for the to be above the box. Now I did this for this part, and I'm gonna do this for the second joystick. And okay, this is how it looks. Now for the central part of the PS3 controller, I feel like it's bigger than the actual controller. So what I will do is I will move the two cylinders to the left so that the PS3 controller will look better, and then I adjust the dimensions for the box so that the box will be inside the cylinders. Now this is how it looks from all the perspectives. Uh, let's see how it looks from all the perspectives. And as you can notice, it looks symmetrical, but there are a few details that we need to correct. For example, the one of the cylinders is not aligned with the other cylinder, so we use the one of the views from the point of views so that we can correct it, and we correct the second joystick so that they are aligned. In this way they look symmetrical to each other. Now I will use the conceptual point of view, because that's how I feel more comfortable. And now what we need to do is the handle part for the PS2 controller. So we go to the 3D tools, and we select the option cylinder, and we select the elliptical option, which is down in the search bar, and we set the handle part to be 1, since the bigger cylinder is 2, and for the length of the cylinder, I would input the measurements to be 4, and for the height, be consistent about it, and I will put the height to be 4, since all of my drawings, all of my shapes are with height 4. Now I aligned them. I aligned the cylinder by using the 4 directions provided with the cube, and I move around to see if the cylinder is aligned. If not, then I align it. Once you have aligned the cylinder to the figure of the PS3 controller, you need to create the other handle. So you copy and paste the cylinder you created, and you paste it on the other side of the controller. This way both cylinders will be the same, and they will be symmetrical to each other. Now you need to correct the cylinder from the other figure, and you may want to have the cylinder to be under all the figures so that the buttons of the PS3 controller could be available, could be visible. I'm sorry. And now you correct one part of this of the cylinder, and this is how it looks from the top view. Now you need to correct the other part. So you go change the perspective, you input the cylinder to be under the figure, and this is how the outline for the PS3 controller is made. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.